So my children had sore throats, they had colds, they had everything that children usually get, and I never gave them drugs. I just used to use these simple, natural treatments. And I see them with their children today. They're doing the same thing to their children that I did to them. Why are they doing that? Because it works. And now I'm going to show you what you can do for a cough. And when a child or an adult, whatever age, gets a cold, it's not uncommon that they might cough for a few weeks. In fact, I've had ladies email me and say, my child had a cold and it's 2 weeks later and they're still coughing. And I write back and say, that's right. They will.